this
I had to do it.
You had to do it.
Had to do it.
There we go. I think you were pretty good at math,
Yeah, no,
Neil. Well, when you do all the math, today's normal high temperature is 88 degrees. Again, based on those historical averages.
I'll take it.
Now, as we move into what will be this Saturday, we drop another degree. 87 degrees is the normal high temperature September 23rd, or this upcoming Saturday. Now, a week beyond that, Saturday the 30th, it drops another 2 degrees to 85. And then as we move into October, look at this, 80 degrees. It starts to drop a little more rapidly. And then by Halloween, Neil, 73 degrees is your normal high temperature. So there's light at the end of the tunnel for those normal high temperatures, and we're going to continue to monitor for what will be the first fall cold front, which unfortunately it's not in my forecast anytime soon. But on satellite and radar, we do have a few scattered clouds in our eastern counties, but the main weather maker right now is over the American West. So we do have an upper level disturbance, a weak upper level disturbance that will be making its way in our direction on Wednesday. And then we also have this front here that will be making its way over the plains on Wednesday as well. And that's what will deliver a rain chance to us in East Texas. 90s right now. Henderson's the warm spot at 93. Neil and I were just talking. We're at 92, which is about 4 beyond normal for this time of year. 91 in Gilmer, 92 in Marshall. So as we look at Futurecast, we're going to be dry tonight. We're going to be dry tomorrow morning. So really no issues there. Now, as we move into your Tuesday middle to late part of the day, that's when we'll start to see a few clouds as a complex of storms approaches us from the northwest. 6 o'clock Tuesday, still fine. Most of Tuesday night, okay, until after midnight. That's when we do see a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms. 9 o'clock Wednesday morning, showers and thunderstorms to the north of Terrell there. And then as we move into your Wednesday afternoon, storms continue, but I think the best chance of rain on Wednesday will be from Tyler, Longview pointing up to the north, and probably 20 to 30% of us will see the rain, so it's not going to be widespread by any stretch of the imagination. Northwestern counties, marginal risk of severe weather on Wednesday, which means maybe some quarter-sized hail, maybe up to 60-mile-per-hour winds and some of the stronger storms, so we'll watch out for that, but widespread severe weather, that's not expected. 65 tonight, high temperatures tomorrow will be in the lower 90s. And as we look at the next 7 days, I do have our high temperatures generally staying in the lower 90s with a couple of exceptions there. One of them will be to incorporate those rain chances on Wednesday, about a 30% chance of those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Decent rain chances do exist next Sunday as well, when we expect another storm system to move in from the west. Deep East Texas, similar deal. 90s across the board for those highs. Decent rain chances, especially by the weekend. Neil?
I love it.